Hey guys, I haven't shot in a video in a long time, but I figured this would be a fast one. I'm going to go ahead and show you this. As you could probably figure it out from what I got here. I am going to attempt to thread tape this tiny little, it acts as a cotter pin, but it's a screw and it screws in here, okay? And then if you see those clips on the back, there's a mount that attaches to your door, okay? Say, here's a part of the mount, and this would fit over it, like this. It would go to the top and go and lock in, okay? And there's another one on the bottom. Pain in the ass. This thing, you would have to constantly tighten them. And if you don't, you can end up creating so much, well, it becomes so loose to where either it'll break off and or usually messing up your wall. So let me go on ahead. Let me cut this. Let me throw this tape on here. Hold tight. Alright guys, look. I just started it on there. I'm going to hold it. I'm just going to roll this damn thing. That's about it. Now let me throw it in here. And I'll be done. Alright, you're gonna wanna, once you get it on and you yank it, take it off, you probably want to cut it. When you pull it, it'll stretch out real tight and it'll just do this. Okay, so we'll take a look down here. When you go to pull it and rip it, use your knife on this one. So look, real hard, okay? Don't mind my thumb, I smacked it with a hammer. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see, yeah, you can see them, see the threads? There they are. Beautiful little threads. So, hold tight. Alright, I'm here. This was the mount here. I initially screwed it here and here, but I'm like, no. I want the weight to come down on it. So, here we go. See? It threads nicely. You don't want to put it in a lot. Now, you're going to want to put it in from the top down, usually, because you don't want any gravity on this with the door slamming to loosen that, but I got that thread locker on there. So, now watch how it works. See? It's not screwed in. See? So, it's on there. That lip grabs on that. And then the screw threads and hits this, holds this. And that will also lock. So, just like so. And then if I went up with it, see? And then it's locked. So, let me go ahead and screw it in. I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to make sure that the thread locker was coming all the way through, and you see it there. You know, screwed it in a few times, tighten it up a little more, hold up. All right, guys, I think that should be tight enough for, yeah, see, it's not tight, but do you see what I mean? How it'll loosen up? And if this thread tape went on there, it would eventually unscrew and fall off, but that's not tight. I just want to show you how, what I was talking about. Hold up. Aha, and there we have it. I had gone ahead and ripped the remainder off. To see, that thing's on there. I hate putting holes in my brand new door. Let me hang this. Thank God. It's back. So, look, I'll show you. Good freaking Lord. We all fuck up. Alright. So, if you do something the wrong way, you never lose. What ended up happening is, you learned. How'd you learn? You learn what not to do next time. with that being said, guys, have a good day. Good weekend. Hey guys, look, I figured screw it. I'll show you what happens when you don't use that thread tape. Now look, I reefed that. I don't know if you could tell, but see that thread? It's tore up. I'll jag it. Same as that side. So, do you see? Look. That's some thick shit. That's gonna need mud. Alright. This is what happens when you don't use the thread tape. I didn't see no video. I didn't learn it anywhere. It came to my mind. I was sick of not having my robe holder back up there. That's actually a towel rack. Okay? But regardless of the fact, this was a set. I think Home Depot or whatever. And when this loosens, it becomes sloppy. The kids don't give a shit. Kids are going to put heavy towels on it and shit. You're going to get out of the shower, lean on it. You're going to be destroyed. Alright? So, I just want to show you guys. I'm serious. I hope I can help you guys out. I mean, damn. To me, that messes with me, alright? I'm a perfectionist. This, screws with me. So, with that being said, I guess peace out. Again, have a good weekend. Hey. Whoa. There it is. And look. I actually put 2 in. 1, 2 in there. So, but look real quick. Boom. Boom, bitches. I seen this in a top dollar hotel when I was on vacation. I had to have it. Alright. It is nice. Heater, which I don't care. I got 2 fans, sucks out everything. I just put this in. Okay. If you look, UV sanitize. I don't wholeheartedly agree. I mean, I think it's bullshit, but whatever. But this is cool. Look. Hear that? Hell yeah. It dries it. Now look. Heat and dry. So what's happening is that element up there heats up. Right here. 160 degrees. And then the fan turns on. I guess I'll wait a minute. Let you guys hear it. See it? Watch. Toothpaste holder. Guys, that is badass. That is sweet. Let me take this out. Watch. I could have got the electric one, but you just push lightly. Thank you, Jesus. Or Allah, or whoever the hell you sit down and pray to. See? Turned on. It heats up. Boom. Throws that high heat down. And it also, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Alright. That is UV, the fan, and heat. Alright. I just want to show you guys the new thing I got going on here. I have done, I work in everyone else's house. If you guys don't know already, you can see here, was probably backwards. Michigan alumni. I have a graduate degree, which for those who don't know, that's a master's degree in engineering. And it's electrical. And I am so busy. I don't really have time for my own stuff. See? Heats up, turns on. I don't need it right now. That's just UV. Let's just leave it at that. Oh, it charges up, right? And it's been charged for like 2 weeks now. It's fine. But, I mean, I haven't had a problem with it. Open it up. Boom. And put the toothpaste on it for you guys. Look what my wife did. It's give and take, fellas.